In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a reference image for image-to-image generation in Artistly AI using the Mirror Magic feature. First, open Artistly AI and navigate to the Mirror Magic tool inside the dashboard. Next, upload the reference image you want to use. This can be a portrait, artwork, product photo, illustration, or any image you want the AI to transform or recreate in a different style. Now click Generate, and Mirror Magic will create a brand new AI image based on your uploaded reference image. Review the initial result created by Mirror Magic. After the image is generated, you can fine-tune and improve the result using the built-in editing and enhancement tools instead of rewriting the prompt. For example, you can use tools like upscale, background editing, enhancement options, and other adjustment features to refine the final image until it looks exactly the way you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.